So I'm looking at the sky and I'm thinking we are definitely due or going to get is really where I was at for a thunderstorm. And I look across the way at the trees and I see the leaves all overturned and I think, yep, there's no mistaking whatsoever. It just, when you see the trees against the background of the sky, it almost looks cartoonish. You know what I mean? Like it's like, here it comes. You can see it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm sure a lot of people see it like that, but it's just, I don't know. When you think about nature and the way things work and how we see a lot of what's coming in advance, we don't always acknowledge it, but we see it. It looks like that, and here I am. I mean, I look above me. I get time anyway. I'm in almost in a clear spot. But anyway, what happened there? How come when? Old stuff, somebody even, in Yufukahina, somebody called that as well. Would have, based on only, just like somebody's, even though any Hinamoyan's gonna know. Oh, fucking Hinamoyan's gonna know. Yeah, but why would she have? Interesting. Oh, fuck. No, this isn't good. No, she's even got this. Oh, fucking shit. I just come on. It's somebody want to state and again, it's curiosity. How many like that? Which one was that? Where it's going? Fucking Hinamoyanska and well, then why the fuck is it on my platform? I didn't give permission. How many like that? Which one was that? So when it is, with full rights, full angles, whatever we need to get the angles. Simple as that. Anyway, oh fucking, and it proves me wrong. Ooh, the heavy of the black seems like it's coming right over me. Oh yeah, I know it could. It could just open up and fall anytime. I would be shocked as fuck if it bypasses. It's not a first. It's not a first. I've seen some before which shocked the shit right out of me, but I'm not a sheriff though. But you listen to that. Because the song, I think, I shocked the sheriff. That's how they were going to have me sing it. But I did not. That was cute. Somebody else was singing to me. Only it was coming through a different way. It wasn't even about me singing. I should have shut the fuck up. Oh, it's not about? No, you like that part. Oh, because? Oh, really? Eh? Why do you figure when? Especially. Somebody even called it. Somebody's even curious because we're interesting. Somebody called, and because somebody referred to based on just what somebody's referring to. Somebody's wondering. Somebody's thought perhaps. Somebody said. Somebody called. Interesting. Like this, you talk about recorded? Many.